Drug abuse is the use of drugs contracted proper use. Natural drugs can be found in animals or plants. Synthetic drugs, drugs that are produced artificially by the use of chemicals. Tolerance is the adding amount of concentration. Withdrawal syndrome is experienced by a person who is undergoing dosage reduction. Minimal dose is the smallest amount of drugs that produce a therapeutic effect. Toxic dose refers to the amount of drugs that produces untoward effects. Lethal dose is the amount of drugs that can cause death. Analgesics, drugs that relieve pain. Antibiotics, drugs that control or combat infectious organisms. Antihistamines, drugs that combat or control allergic reactions. Decongestants relieves congestion of the nasal passages. Laxatives stimulate defecation and encourage bowel movement. Chemical, any substance that is taken to the body and alters the way that the mind and body work. Screening test. So rapid test performed screening is a rapid test performed to establish positive result. Prohibited drugs. These include narcotics, stimulants, and hallucinogens. Regulated drugs. These include barbiturates, hypnotics, and antihistamines. Caffeine. This can be found in coffee, tea, chocolate, cola drinks, and other wake-up pills. Tranquilizers. Drugs that can calm, relax, and diminish anxiety. Volatile solvents. Gaseous substances, popularly known as gas or teardrops. Alcohol, considered as the king of all drugs. With potential for abuse. Uncontrollable craving, compulsive cravings to take drugs repeatedly. Addiction, the addict is powerless to quit drug use. Pride, excessive feeling of self-worth and self-esteem. Lust, Burning sexual desire can distort the human mind to drug use. Gluttony, food trip in the lingo of the junkies. Laziness, I-can syndrome, incapacity to achieve. Hippies, those who are addicted to drugs and think that they are an integral part of life. Marijuana is a seasonal plant grown from seed depending on the soil and weather condition. Occasional drinker only drinks on occasions. Frequent drinkers drinks at parties and social gatherings. Regular drinker drinks daily or consistently on weekends. Needle marks, visible marks on of intravenous injections. Slightly affected barangay reported presence of pushers and users. Moderately affected barangay reported presence of pushers and users. Slightly affected reported presence of users. Cold turkey, self-drug withdrawal. Group therapy, help through group process. Drug dependent refers to a person suffering from drug dependence. Situational users, those who use drugs to keep them awake during important work. Spree users, school-age users, as a means for fun. Malnutrition, life of an addict revolves around drug abuse. Spiritual and religious means development of moral and spiritual values to oppose drug unaffected barangay has not ever been plagued or beset by any illegal drugs.